Hello, I'm Dario and I'll be showing you some of the features and benefits of the Citroen Berlingo panel van. This van, like all our vehicles, has undergone 128 inspection points by AA and it's covered under their warranty for the first 3 months. Plus you get included the roadside assistance from them for the first year with a single call-out. You can obviously extend both warranty and roadside assistance here at the dealership. We also applied a triple layer of Gardex nano coat over the paint to make sure no tree sap, acidity or rain will affect it for time to come. This vehicle comes in enterprise trim, which grants it front fog lights, power fold mirrors. Then going over the back, you have the barn style opening doors and parking sensors fitted on the rear bumper, spanning the whole width. And then over to the curb side, you have the sliding door and the fuel flap for both diesel and AdBlue. Let's take a look at the rear cargo hold now. Once you access the rear, you can notice you have a full metal bulkhead with a load-through hatch. More on that later. Wood ply lining over panels and door and over the floor as well, which is also fitted with 6 anchorage points to secure all your cargo. You also have lighting fixture over the roofline. Size-wise, you have 125 centimeters of width in between the wheel arches, 121 centimeters of height, the lowest point being the center rib of the roof, and then an extensive 170 centimeters of fully usable depth over the flooring. Let's take a look into the cabin. The vehicle is in a 3-seat configuration with an independent and fully adjustable driver's seat and a 2-seat bench for the passengers, the middle seat of which can be easily turned into a picnic table, and as a signature feature of the Citroen Berlingo, it can be both extended and it pivots side to side, which is really useful, especially if you're using a tablet or a laptop for work purposes. Over the dashboard, you got some storage solutions, and especially one in front of the driver, which is also fitted with a lid. The steering wheel column is fully adjustable in height and pitch. And then you have an analog dashboard with a digital trip computer. Over the left of the steering wheel, you have the classic headlight stalk. The headlights are also automatic on this vehicle. As it is the enterprise trim, it comes with cruise control and speed limiter. Over to the right, you can find the controls for the wipers, and then just underneath, the remote control for the infotainment system. You also have a dial to adjust the height of the main beam and the dipped beam. And then over the armrest, you got the power fold mirror controls. The power window and the central locking unit. The infotainment is an NAC unit by Citroen. It's fitted with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay through USB cable. And also from here you can access more features of the vehicle. Just underneath you can find the controls for the air conditioning, the electronic handbrake, and this vehicle is fitted with a 5-gear transmission. And these are some of the features and benefits of the Citroen Berlingo panel van. For any inquiries, feel free to contact us.